Hi friends, I'm Intu. Welcome to my channel here. We learn English through engaging stories. At the end of each story, we'll explore vocabulary and phrases to help improve your communication and listening skills. Let's make learning fun and effective together. Stay tuned and let's get started.
Vipul and Chandrakant were close friends despite their vastly different backgrounds. Vipul was wealthy while Chandrakant was poor. Yet their bond was unshakable and they shared everything openly. One day, as they were chatting, a stranger approached them. "I am a traveler," he said. "I urgently need money. Would you be willing to buy this ring from me?" Vipul examined the ring. Its sparkling diamonds were mesmerizing. Intrigued, he decided to buy it and negotiated the price. Once they settled, Vipul asked, "How did you come by this ring?" The traveler hesitated. "I cannot reveal that. If you want to buy it, take it. Otherwise, I'll sell it to someone else." Reluctant to let go of the ring, Vipul agreed and invited the traveler to his house to complete the deal. Vipul said, "It's dangerous to leave with such a large sum of money at night. Why don't you stay the night here and leave in the morning?" Chandrakant supported this idea. "My friend is right. Rest here tonight. It's safer." The traveler agreed. Chandrakant bid farewell and left for his home. Later, Vipul shared a meal with the traveler and offered him a lot of alcohol. Intoxicated, the traveler began to ramble, inadvertently revealing how he had obtained the ring. He recounted that in a forest not far from their town, a magician performed rituals every new moon. After the rituals, the magician gained the power to grant 3 wishes to others. The traveler, once a loyal servant to the magician, had earned his favor. When the magician offered him 3 wishes, unsure of what else to request, the traveler hastily asked for a valuable diamond ring as one of them. That ring was now in Vipul's possession. The next morning the traveler left, and Vipul shared the astonishing tale with Chandrakant. "On the upcoming new moon night, we must go to the forest and meet this magician," Vipul declared. "I'll serve him loyally and ask for 3 wishes. I've already planned my wishes. With them, I'll become even richer." Chandrakant was uneasy. "You already have so much wealth. Why desire more? Such magical gains don't last and often come with dangers. Let it go." But Vipul was adamant. "No, I must go, and you must come with me." Chandrakant argued. "Why should I come? It's your wish, not mine." Vipul insisted. "You're my best friend. Your presence will give me courage and support." Reluctantly, Chandrakant agreed, reasoning that he could help Vipul if anything went wrong. On the new moon night, they ventured into the forest and found the magician. Bowing respectfully, Vipul said, "You're powerful. Tonight, after your ritual, you will gain the ability to grant 3 wishes. I wish to serve you and earn those wishes." The magician chuckled. "So the man who asked for a diamond ring has spilled my secret, has he? Very well. Everything will proceed as it should." The magician began his ritual. and Vipul assisted diligently. When the ritual ended, the magician handed Vipul a pinch of sacred ash. "You have 3 seconds to make your 3 wishes," he said. Vipul eagerly made his wishes. "First, I wish to become a king. Second, I wish to never fall sick. Third, I wish to remain young and die in this very state." The magician said, "Granted, your wishes will come true. You may leave." Thrilled, Vipul turned to Chandrakant and exclaimed, "I did it. I got my 3 wishes." Chandrakant asked, "What are they?" Vipul said proudly, "First, I'll become a king. Second, I'll never be afflicted by any illness. And third, I'll never grow old and will die as I am now." No sooner had he uttered the last wish than Vipul suddenly collapsed onto Chandrakant's shoulder, lifeless. Chandrakant was heartbroken. Vipul had died in the very state he had wished for, proving the peril of greed and the unintended consequences of magical desires. With tears in his eyes, Chandrakant mourned his dear friend, who had paid the ultimate price for his insatiable ambition. As the forest grew silent once more, Chandrakant reflected on the tragedy. Vipul's story reminds us of a powerful truth. When we chase more than what we need, we risk losing everything we already have. True happiness comes not from greed, but from gratitude and contentment. Let us learn from Vipul's mistake and value the blessings in our lives.
Let's explore some important vocabulary from this story. We'll learn the meaning and see how to use each word in a sentence. Ready? Let's begin.
Reluctant, hesitant, unwilling. Tayakam. Chandrakant was reluctant to join Vipul's risky plan. Vipulin அபாயகரமான திட்டத்தில் சேர Chandrakant தயங்கினார்.
All right, let's practice together. We'll repeat the word twice for better learning.
Reluctant, hesitant, unwilling. Tayakam. Intoxicated, drunk or affected by alcohol. போதையில். The traveler became intoxicated and revealed the secret. பயணி போதையில் மூழ்கி ரகசியத்தை வெளிப்படுத்தினார். Intoxicated. போதையில். Ambition. Strong desire for success. லட்சியம். His bad ambition led to his downfall. அவரது மோசமான லட்சியம் அவரது வீழ்ச்சிக்கு வழிவகுத்தது. Ambition. Strong desire for success. லட்சியம். Contentment. A state of satisfaction or happiness. மனநிறைவு. True wealth lies in contentment. உண்மையான செல்வம் திருப்தியில் உள்ளது. Contentment. A state of satisfaction or happiness. மனநிறைவு. Peril. Danger or risk. ஆபத்து. Vipul ignored the peril of greed and pursued his wishes. Peril. ஆபத்து. Danger or risk. Gratitude. Thankfulness or appreciation. நன்றியுணர்வு. உண்மையான மகிழ்ச்சி நன்றியுணர்வு மூலம் வருகிறது, பேராசை அல்ல. True happiness comes from gratitude, not greed. Intrigued, fascinated, curious. ஆர்வமூட்டினார். Vipul was intrigued by the sparkling ring. Vipul மின்னும் மோதிரத்தை கண்டு வியந்தான்.
Ritual.
Religious ceremony. சடங்கு. The magician performed rituals in the forest. மந்திரவாதி காட்டில் சடங்குகள் செய்தார். Mesmerizing. Enchanting. மயக்கும். The diamond ring's sparkle was mesmerizing. வைர மோதிரத்தின் பிரகாசம் மயக்கியது. Mesmerizing. Enchanting. மயக்கும்.
Perfect. Choose any one word and create a creative or funny sentence in the comment below. The best one will be pinned at the top.
This video is sponsored by BuyMote, e-online shopping app. BuyMote, the ultimate online shopping app for all your grocery needs. With BuyMote, you can easily order a wide range of grocery products and have them delivered to your doorstep within 7 days. The best part is their prices are lower compared to other online stores. So, why not give it a try? Check out the link in the description. Explore their products and place your order today.